Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to color a mandala. First, select a mandala design that truly speaks to you, as this personal connection enhances the experience. Next, gather your favorite coloring tools, whether it's a set of 72 colored pencils or a vibrant pack of 24 markers, ensure they are ready. You can start coloring from the center and work your way out, or vice versa, whichever feels more natural. Remember to pay attention to the repeating patterns and symmetry for a balanced and beautiful result. Understanding color theory can elevate your mandala. Begin by selecting a cohesive color palette, perhaps 3 to 5 main colors, to maintain visual unity. Think about using complementary colors, like blue and orange, to create a vibrant and striking contrast that really makes elements pop. Alternatively, analogous colors, such as blues and greens, offer a more harmonious and calming effect. Don't forget to vary the shades and tints within your chosen colors to add depth and interest to your artwork. Now, let's explore some effective coloring techniques. Start by applying light pressure with your chosen tool to create a soft, even base layer. This initial layer provides a good foundation. Then, gradually build up the color intensity by adding multiple layers, allowing the pigment to deepen. To avoid any harsh lines and achieve a smooth finish, use small, circular motions as you color. Finally, blend your colors seamlessly together for beautiful, professional-looking transitions between different hues. To complete your mandala, consider adding some finishing touches. Outline key elements with a slightly darker shade of the same color to give them definition and make them stand out. For a touch of sparkle, add highlights using a lighter color or even a white gel pen to catch the light. Don't hesitate to incorporate metallic or glitter pens for an extra bit of flair and visual interest. Finally, take a moment to reflect on your finished mandala. It's a beautiful representation of your creative journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.